How to use different spices in recipes and their health advantages. Using different spices in recipes not only enhances the flavor of your dishes but can also provide various health advantages. Here's a guide on how to use some common spices and their potential health benefits. Turmeric. Usage. Turmeric has a warm, bitter flavor and is commonly used in Indian and Middle Eastern dishes. It's often used in curries, rice dishes, and soups. Health advantages. Turmeric contains an active compound called curcumin, which is a powerful antioxidant and has anti-inflammatory properties. It may help with arthritis, heart health, and may even have potential anti-cancer effects. Cinnamon. Usage. Cinnamon has a sweet and warm flavor and can be used in both sweet and savory dishes. It's great in desserts, oatmeal, and coffee, as well as in stews and curries. Health advantages. Cinnamon has been shown to help regulate blood sugar levels, making it beneficial for people with diabetes or insulin resistance. It also has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Ginger. Usage. Ginger has a pungent and slightly spicy flavor. It is often used in Asian and Indian cuisine and works well in stir-fries, soups, marinades, and tea. Health advantages. Ginger is known for its anti-nausea and anti-inflammatory effects. It may also help with digestion and reduce muscle pain and soreness. Garlic. Usage. Garlic has a strong and pungent flavor and is a staple in many cuisines around the world. It can be used in almost any savory dish, from pasta and sauces to roasted vegetables and meat dishes. Health advantages. Garlic has antimicrobial properties and may boost the immune system. It can also help regulate blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Cayenne pepper. Usage. Cayenne pepper adds heat and spice to dishes. Use it sparingly, as it is quite spicy. It's great in chili, sauces, and some desserts. Health advantages. Cayenne pepper contains capsaicin, which may help reduce appetite and boost metabolism. It also has anti-inflammatory properties and can help with pain relief. Cumin. Usage. Cumin has a warm and earthy flavor and is a key spice in Indian, Middle Eastern, and Mexican cuisines. It's used in curries, spice blends, and chili. Health advantages. Cumin is a good source of iron and may aid in digestion. It also has antioxidant properties and may help improve blood cholesterol levels. Cardamom. Usage. Cardamom has a sweet and aromatic flavor and is often used in desserts, coffee, and tea. It's also used in some savory dishes in Indian and Middle Eastern cuisine. Health advantages. Cardamom may help with digestion and has antimicrobial properties. It's also a good source of antioxidants. Remember to use these spices in moderation and in combination with a balanced diet for the best health results. While they can offer health benefits, they are not a substitute for medical treatment or professional advice. If you have specific health concerns or conditions, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional. Thank you for watching.